Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex and today I will show you one very interesting device which I received few days ago from AliExpress. Let's see what is inside. On the back side we can see small instruction how to assemble, and all kit is consist from not so many parts actually. One board with push button and USB slot. Also we have some main part of body from our kit, like this one device, and I think this is something like sponge. Let's follow instruction and assemble it, and to see how it's work and what it's doing. First of all, we have to install this device here on plastic main hole, and now we have to lock everything. Then we're taking this sponge and installing inside, and this wire connecting to our board. So far like this we have at the moment. Now we need to find one wire to connect power supply for micro USB, and we will try to test and to see how it's working. Like a power supplier, I will use one power bank with wire type C. We need small bottle and we have to fill up it with water. Then we have to insert this sponge inside bottle. Okay, now after few minutes, when sponge already took some water, we can try again. You can see it's like steaming. This device can be used as humidifier, like this device we assembled today. If you like such kind of device, subscribe for channel to not lose any interesting devices which we ordering from China. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!